Right here is the school kitchen where meals are prepared. The entire place is engulfed with smoke, which is dangerous to the health of the cooks and also affects the taste of the food. When it rains, surface water gathers under the shed, making cooking difficult and also delaying dining, in turn affecting lessons. Kitchen waste are thrown away on a daily basis, causing a lot of pollution. This also invites rodents and other harmful creatures into the immediate school environment. We believe the waste could rather be converted into an energy source, like biogas, to eliminate the environmental hazards, including the heavy smoke from the kitchen, which is putting the kitchen staff at risk. To sustain a natural gas production system and ensure a lasting positive impact in the school and the wider community, if acquired, the following strategies can be implemented among others. 1. Implement efficient waste management practices. Implement efficient waste management practices to ensure a continuous supply of biological waste for biogas production. This may involve segregating organic waste from other types of waste, composting organic matter, and collecting waste from cafeteria or kitchen operations. 2. Collaborate with local communities, waste management authorities, and environmental organizations to source additional biological waste for biogas production. Establish partners to collect waste from nearby areas and promote community engagement in sustainable energy projects. Ensure compliance with relevant regulations and standards governing biogas production, waste management, and environmental protection. Obtain necessary permits, licenses, and approvals to operate the biogas system safely and responsibly.